We are ChemSci, the Chemical Safety Institute. My name is Brian Laren. This is Peter Morales, Sandra Lee, Christian Yanes, and Mayat Melu Kemper. To continue our presentation, Sandra will now explain our abstract.
18% of science classrooms lack the necessary amount of equipment, which increases the chances of a chemical incident. Our organization, ChemSci, was founded to diminish the risk of dangers that result from the deficiency of materials and the lack of chemical knowledge. To introduce our idea, we will go to 13 public schools in the city of Torrance, California. The team is composed of the 5 co-founders and along with the inspector. The team will go to the school to present a PowerPoint to the students. The PowerPoint will teach the students about chemical safety and safety precautions. When the presentation is done, the students will then disperse into workshops that will allow them a chance to apply the knowledge learned from the PowerPoint and into the workshops. While they are at the workshops, the team will go to science classrooms and inspect the science classrooms to see if they have any lack of materials or if any unethical behaviors were performed. If there were a lack of materials, the ChemSci team will then provide them with the necessary materials through donations. Now Christian will explain the public service announcement.
Our public service announcement is a visual display of the chemical precautions people take for granted daily. Our PSA shows the possible consequences that can occur if safety procedures are violated in the lab. Now we will possibly show our PSA. Hopefully, after seeing this PSA, you have a better understanding of how to protect yourself from these dangers. Next, we will talk about our grant proposal.
Hello. How many of us live in the Torrance Unified area? As most of us know, the Torrance Unified School District is composed of elementary schools, middle schools, and high schools. Our first goal of ChemSci is to provide 13 of these schools, 8 middle schools, and 5 high schools with the necessary safety equipment to keep everyone in the lab safe, such as gloves, lab aprons, and safety goggles. We would appreciate support from the Board of Directors and Torrance Unified School District to fulfill our mission. We hereby ask $720,587 from the Board of Directors and $72,058 from Torrance Unified School District to branch out our institute and to provide safety to children across America. Next, we will introduce Peter Morales to explain our budget proposal.
Okay. The money that will be used in order to increase the chemical safety in the Torrance community is about $720,578. As you can see, the total grant amount is divided into 2 distinct categories: startup costs and the annual costs. The startup costs are about $232,000, and they include the equipment, which is the goggles, aprons, and the gloves that we will be distributing to schools in order for the students to be properly protected against other chemicals. It also includes the furniture, which will accommodate our office and provide us with the ability in order to work efficiently, and the supply